Good afternoon, everyone. I'm extremely delighted to share my experience as the principal of Aditya Birla Public School, Kovaya, District Amreli, that GUJCOST.DST Government of Gujarat is doing extremely well in motivating students in the field of innovation and creativity. I'm proud to inform you that 6 of our students qualified the zonal level and reached to the national level. And all these 6 students have been awarded with tablet PCs. 2 of our students, Master Prince Dhulia and Madhav Barad, they won 1.5 lakh rupees each award, cash award for winning this STEM quiz. My best wishes are with GUJCOST.DST Gujarat of Government, and they are doing extremely well in motivating students in the field of science and technology. I am sure one day India will become the hub of research and innovation, and in this endeavor Gujarat will lead. Thank you and have a nice day all of you.